should understand that without knowing the goal of life, without even thinking, sitting down, stopping in the middle of this frantic life and thinking, what's going on in the world? What am I doing? I want to be happy. Everyone wants to be happy. We don't find happiness. Why is there suffering? Why is there misery? Without seriously considering these questions and trying to find a solution, that is the beginning of all stupidity. But in modern society, or pretty much most of the societies around the world, no one's given a chance to even think like that. Bombarded from the beginning of life with sensory inputs, so that we can't even think. We can't even think about how to. We can't even think about what we should be thinking about. There's nothing approaching the mode of goodness, just intense stupidity. So all glories to Srila Prabhupada, who gave us this Bhagavad Gita as it is.